Hi, how you doing? My name is Joe and this is not a tech show. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by and you haven't seen any of my videos, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. I make repair videos and assembly videos every week to help you do your own do-it-yourself projects and also to fix your vehicle on your own, as well as assemble furniture and some other various things that'll really help you out, and also to give you easy step-by-step instructions. Today, we're going to take a look at the Oxberg Doors. So let's get into it. So I've actually put together the Oxberg door assembly in another video, also the Billy Bookcase as well. I'll link those videos in the description below, but for today I really want to find out if you can add Oxberg doors to the top and the bottom of the Billy Bookcase to have a cleaner look. I've had a lot of questions about this to see if you could put solid doors on top and bottom. I'm having my suspicions if you can actually do it, so I want to make sure. So first things first, let's make a couple measurements to find out what's going on here. I want to find out the measurement of the Oxberg door first. So I'll take my measuring tape and from the bottom of just the door, not the bookcase, to find out that length. You can find that on the website, but I'm coming up with about 38¼ inches on the door. Now we want to find out how much room we have on the rest of the Billy Bookcase. So doing the same measurement from the top of the bookcase down to where the other doors would meet and take that measurement. Looks like we're coming up with 37¾ on that measurement, which is a problem because that's a ½ inch difference from the top of the bottom door and where the door would have to meet. So also, let me take a look at what's going on inside here. So the Billy Bookcase attaches to the holes where the shelves go into, and the doors really only fit into one section. It is the end section on the top and the bottom. So there's no other holes that we can work with. So meaning that if we wanted to essentially put doors on the top of this, we would have to move the holes about ½ inch and drill new holes. Now we could do that, but there's also another issue. Since there's about a ½ inch difference on the length of the doors, see there's these two holes, that's where they would go into, that ½ inch difference would actually overlap onto the top of the bookcase. So see how this is flush? We'd want that to be lower about ½ inch so that the other doors could essentially meet in the middle on that middle piece. So it would essentially hang over about ½ inch on the top, even if you modified it and drilled holes ½ inch apart on the Billy Bookcase. So this actually sparked my curiosity because I'd really think that they would make a covering for the top of this, which they do. So I took a look online and found some other things that you can do. If you don't mind see-through top glass doors, they do offer that. It is a full piece, so you do have still just buying 4 sets of those Oxberg pieces with the glass and the solid frame. But looks like for this Billy, you cannot do double solid Oxberg doors on the top and the bottom. So I did a little more searching, and what I did find was that you can have double Oxberg doors, but you have to get a certain Billy Bookcase, which is about another foot taller than the bookcase that I have in my office here. Not the end of the world, but it does make it extremely tall, and the tall bookcase that I have already, I highly recommend attaching to the wall if you have the means to do so. And also, this one's going to be even taller than that, so if your ceiling can handle it, that's great, but also really highly recommend attaching it to the wall as well. So, kind of a bummer, you can't have double Oxberg doors to completely close off your Billy, but there are some alternatives. They do offer some taller doors with glass tops for the glass windows for the top, as well as the extended Billy that has that extra foot of space in between. If your ceiling can handle it, get that one. But I'm not really sure why they would do that over a half-inch difference. Could have been a safety issue. I know that when you do have these Oxberg doors opening and shutting, it does become very top heavy. So they may have wanted to prevent that. So I don't know. I wish they would have had that ability. If you attach it to the wall, these things are pretty solid. But anyway, today was a short video, so thank you again for sticking around. I hope you hit that subscribe button. Very easy to do. It's just right down there. I'll even put like a big circle, maybe somewhere right here. I don't know. But I look forward to seeing you in the next one.